Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can filter bold text format in Excel. Unfortunately, Excel does not have a direct built-in filter button for text formatting like bold or italic through the standard filter menu. So first you need to select the range of cells you want to check like this one, and then press Ctrl plus F to open the find and replace dialog box, and then click the option button to expand the dialog and click on the format, and then go to the font tab and select the bold under the font style, and then click OK, and now click find all. So in the result list at the bottom, press Ctrl A to select all the found bold cells and then close the find dialog box. The bold cells will remain selected. So with the cells still selected, give them a fill color. For example, give them a yellow color using the Home tab ribbon. And now select the entire table and press Ctrl Shift plus L to enable the filter, and then go to the product, go to the text, filter by colors and select the colors. And here you can see that, and select the entire bold data and press the Ctrl B to unhighlight all bold text. Then go to the filter and click on the clear filter from the products. And now again select the entire table, go to the color palette and select the no fill, and here it is. So this way you can easily filter bold text format in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.